Hi, my name is Dana Ritchie from Paladin ID. I bet you're watching this video because you have a labeling challenge and don't know where to start. You're probably saying there's got to be a better way. Every cannabis manufacturer is facing the same challenge. The good news is we have developed a program to help you through the 4 steps for an efficient labeling process. The 4 steps include finding the correct labels for your application, automating the printing of your batch test data, printing your variable data in black or white and possibly color, automatically applying your labels to your products. On this page, we break down these 4 main steps and offer a solution to help you through each one. Take advantage of one or all. We are here to answer any questions to help you through the process. Please give me a call at 888-972-5234 or email with any questions you may have. I am looking forward to working with you.